Good morning, Kiran. Good morning, Sai. Yeah, session will start in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, guys. Session will start in another 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone have career-related questions or doubts, you can ask me. And today we have two sessions. One is a Power Platform, another is data engineering. So you can check the links, you guys, properly. So this is for Power Platform room. And data engineering, we have another. Okay. Hope all guys are joined for Power Platform only, no? Ganesh, I guess Ganesh, you are correct. You called me yesterday. You say Vijay Krishna Uday. Satish, Vasu, yeah. And Indra is going to be handle Power Platform. Yeah, great.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Kiran.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kiran.
Sir, I have a question for you.
You can
Like,
ask me.
how much important is this course for a data analyst?
So, first, why you joined actually? Maybe some interest happened to you already. Maybe in your project, or else someone told like now Power Apps also expecting from Power BI developer or something, right?
Yes, sir. Last time, previous month, I had attended one interview at Toyota Kirloskar.
Yes.
Sir, I just learned Power BI, SQL, and
Mm.
Excel from
Yeah, okay.
YouTube.
Mm.
And I had gone there, and they asked me
Power
related
Apps,
Power Apps and also ADF,
ADF. Yes,
and they
exactly.
expected more
So
from me
nowadays
actually.
companies are expecting multi skills from one student.
Okay.
Right? So multiple skills they're expecting. Data analyst in the sense, the two options. SQL Power BI is common. Only SQL Power BI Excel, you won't get a call actually. It's a good thing, even minimum you got a call. And they told we are expecting Power Apps and ADF. So
Yes, sir.
another option, SQL, Power BI, Azure, Fabric. These four topics maybe you can help you to become data analyst. But now companies are expecting in another case, SQL, Power BI for a data analyst also, Power Apps and Power Automate. So reason Power Platform developers are not available in the market as per requirement. So what they are doing, so who knows Power BI, maybe they can understand easily the Power Apps, right? So they are forcing to learn Power Apps and to work in that. It's a hardly came era 5 years back only, and still it's now developing. The Copilot Studio, virtual agents recently only they renamed as a Copilot. So
Okay.
still it's an under R&D only. That's the reason we don't have much people on Power Platform developer. And getting calls also very easy and without coding. If you want to comfortable with the coding under data analytics, SQL, Power BI, Azure, Fabric, because SQL commands will be there and slowly expecting even Python for them. But Power Platform as of now, no coding. In future, maybe some Java integrations under, but we no need to be do all the things. Our job, Power
Um,
Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, and Power BI.
and sir, how much should we cover for the data
So,
analyst? Should we
Power
cover all the
Platform point
things?
of view, Power BI, we are not going to be covered in depth. The reason is this is a Power Platform developer. Power BI only up to the dashboards. Around 12 to 15 lectures, we are going to be focused only on Power BI. After that, Power Apps and Power Automate will be the main subject. And equal to a 4 years experience guy, how much knowledge they need, those much we are covering. Maybe you already know Power BI, right? You know Power BI premium version, right? License.
No, sir, I'm not working. Actually, I have
No, no,
learned
you
through
completed
YouTube.
course, right? You should
Yes,
aware, no? Power BI, three versions will be there. Free version, pro version, and premium version.
yes, sir. Yes.
We are providing Power BI premium license. You will get an email ID, kiran@ksr.com. You will get an license for Power Apps. You will get a license for Power Automate. So reason to practice real-time case studies. Maybe I will make another challenge. Share this curriculum with any of your friends who are working in Power Platform. Tell them, is all the topics you are really working in a real time.
Okay.
100% no one is going to be work all these topics which we are covering in our curriculum.
Okay.
We are going to be cover maximum topics because we are not sure they need Power Automate or else Power Virtual Agent, right? So we are covering all four. But in real time, some companies will stick only to Power Apps. Some projects it's mostly on Power Automate. But to cover all the people, we are covering in this.
Okay, sir. Okay. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Cool. Hey guys, good morning everyone. Hey Basu, Kiran, Ganesh, Mukesh, Satish, Sapna, Diksha, Chaitanya, Indra this side. How are you all?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Indra.
Good morning. Good morning.
Indra. How are you all?
Great.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you?
Hi Chaitanya. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, guys. So Chaitanya, you are a existing student from previous batch or you are the another Chaitanya?
No. I'm the other Chaitanya only. Not yet joined any earlier.
Okay. Okay, got it, got it. There was one more Chaitanya in the previous batch. That's why I was wondering, like, why he's joining. He got more options. Cool. So let's wait for 1 more minute, guys. I can see people are still joining. So that,
Meanwhile, similar kind of questions, if anyone have, you can ask me,
yeah,
guys. Yes, like
correct.
about calls, about opportunities, or else what kind of support KS are going to be handled. These kind of any questions.
Yeah. Hi, Mahesh. This is
Yeah, yeah.
Satish. Yeah, basically, I'm already a student of KSR. We're
Mm.
learning Power BI full stack.
Okay, great. So
So
which batch is
basically,
Satish?
uh, 8 p.m. batch with Santosh.
Oh, it's a currently running one.
Yeah, currently running.
Okay, Sudhir.
So basically, I'm already experienced with 8 plus years as an experience,
Mhm.
but 4 years in SharePoint and 4 years in PowerApps and Power Platform technologies. But the
Oh,
thing is, I'm looking mostly I'm less experienced in developing side. So
okay.
basically, I was in support side.
Got it.
So currently, I'm going to switch the job. So that
Mhm.
is the reason I have joined Power BI and Power BI Tech.
Okay,
So,
okay,
so just I want to crack the Power Platform interview. So along with
okay.
Power BI. So that is the reason I joined this.
So
So
it's maybe we
it
need
will
to
be
check it
helpful
how
for me.
much skills currently you are holding and maybe developing in the sense on a complete end-to-end application you are not built, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
completely.
So in this course you are going to be build, even though in a first within a 1.5 month only you are going to be make your own application. Because first at 10, 15 days Power BI, right? Once Power BI app starts, within 25 days you are going to be building an end-to-end application.
Okay.
Yeah. So even later, you can see a couple of our students, we are requested them to post in LinkedIn as well. Maybe you can see one end-to-end application for hospital. I still remember she made very nicely. So those kind of applications you can able to build.
So
So
because I want to enhance my development skills.
okay, got it. Yeah, Indra, maybe you can able to explain him like in a, because he was already experienced, right? How much skills you are already holding and what we are going to be make more.
Yeah, Satish, like I'll help you in that. So you don't need to worry. Like everything that you will be getting here is development focused only. And regarding applications and all, you will be creating multiple applications in these 3 months.
Mhm.
Okay. So after like going through all the classes, you will be getting that confident again, getting like it is fine, like you have intentions to clear the interview. That's why you are joining here. But my intention is something else. I don't want to train you guys to clear interviews only. I want you to get trained as architect here, Power Platform architect. Okay. So if someone is coming to you, you should be in that state to tell that people, okay, this is how this problem can be solved. These are the components that you will be taking. This is how it will interact. This will be the licensing model. So all those things I will train you up to that level. So it is more around like surviving in the job, getting the right skills, okay, rather than only interview focused. Because if we have to prepare only for interview, it can be done in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, right?
Mm.
But we are addressing a, I would say, a bigger problem. Okay.
Yeah, basically understanding the client requirements, and accordingly we have to suggest the
Yeah. So
most.
because you will be after this course, obviously you will be tweaking your CV and you will be saying, okay, I have worked for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, right? So then it should sound like you have worked for 5 years with your answers, with your, I would say, the confidence. So that you will only get once you have worked on the stuff, right? You will not get that confidence of watching simply some tips and tricks on YouTube or learning through Microsoft Docs. That you will not get, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
guys, anyone else,
hello.
please take this time to take this opportunity to ask questions.
Yeah, hello. My name is Sanjeev. So actually,
Yeah.
I have the like 6 years of experience in Click and Power BI supporting development side. So here I saw the curriculum. That curriculum Power BI curriculum as like limited curriculum, like few topics are covered. Are you going to cover full Power BI course, or is it more focus on Power Apps like?
Okay, so like when you say limited curriculum, Chiranjeevi, like what you were expecting in Power BI?
Like I saw like topics are every topic is there, but like compared to like Power Apps, it is only smart like small thing. I observed that in the curriculum.
Like, can you give me example? That is fine. I'm not kind of asking you just for the sake of thing. I really want the feedback. What you are thinking about is missing.
The, yeah, it is like more in DAX. Like like I thought like we missed something in DAX and Power Query. Power Query also like few classes are there like
Okay.
I don't know
So
like how it
Chiranjeevi,
is going to
like
be.
let me make one thing very clear. So whatever is there in Power BI, we are touch basing each and everything. Okay. Power Query Editor is nothing but it's part of data modeling. Okay. So now we are not covering DAX up to very advanced level or visualization up to all the visualizations which are there. Why? Because this is not a Power BI course. Okay. So this is the Power Platform thing. So I have balanced it accordingly so that you get the right mix of skills. Okay. Which is required for being a Power Platform developer or
I got
senior developer.
yeah, I got it. Yeah, that's the
Okay.
reason. Like I got
Yeah,
like
and it's nothing
okay.
like that. We are missing something in Power BI. We are covering every topic, right from like Power BI product walkthrough till paginated reports. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So Indra, in the future, going with the Power Platform and Power BI is having best future or
Yeah. So
data
basically,
analyst?
yeah, I'll explain you all these things today. So today's session is based on all these things only. What is Power Platform? What is the scope? What is the job opportunities in the market? So Satish, like I'll try to wind up it in one line. So as of now, like what I can see, this Power Platform is a niche skill, right? So the people who had right amount of skill set, who has right skill set, they are getting many more opportunities as compared to data analyst or data, I would say, any data related field. And
Okay.
they are getting paid also at par. You will not believe, I got a call from Naukri few days back. They were looking a guy with 5 6 years of experience who knows everything end to end, and they were offering around 50 LPA. Their budget was 50.
Okay. So that means they're expecting Power Platform, Power BI, end-to-end skills you're saying.
Yeah, so that's what I told you, right? Where
Mm-hmm.
like I will be training you on all those things. I will be letting you know how to integrate multiple products together.
Yeah, integration also aware of it because currently I'm working in that same area.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, guys,
Indra.
can we start the session?
Yeah.
So,
Indra,
uh,
only this is Srinivas. Are you able to hear me?
yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I have 15 years of experience on SharePoint Online. So I have chosen this course. So how are the opportunities for me, and also what kind of position I may get in future after I learn this course?
Again, Siri, it depends on you. Okay.
Okay.
I will be giving you everything which is required for being a good architect, being a good developer. So
Okay.
you can go ahead. Obviously, technically, you can't claim more than 5 years of experience, right? Because tech stack itself is 5 years old, right? Might be Power BI is the oldest guy in the family, but all these things, PowerApps, Power Platform, Copilot Studio, Power Virtual Agent, Power Pages, all these things are either 5 years or less than 5 years old. Okay. So
Okay.
when you will be claiming for 5 year, obviously you will be going to some senior roles,
Okay.
like you will be doing the functional stuff, you will be doing the technical stuff.
Okay.
And again, like I don't know much details about you, right? How much currency this is, what you are expecting and all. So depending on that, you can go ahead and you can get good hike.
Okay. How are the calls, Indra, on for 15 years of experience people?
Indra, don't forget to start recording well.
Yeah, I just started.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Cool. So no worries, guys. Let me start the session and then let me explain what the thing is. And then again, we can go through the doubt session again after the end of the class. So let me set the tone first, okay?
Okay.
Is my screen visible, guys?
Yes, Indra.
Yes. Yes,
Cool.
it is.
So guys, welcome to KSR Data Vision. And first of all, thanks to all of you that you have taken out some time and given us this time to like serve you guys. So welcome to KSR Data Vision. Good morning. So now what we will be covering today is Power Platform intro. But first of all, you should be knowing, like if you are learning from the guy, whether that is best in the market or not. Okay. So I am Indrajit Singh, guys. I have 6 years of exposure to IT industry. So almost I will be completing 7 years now. So then I am expert in Microsoft Power products. I have expertise in data analytics, Azure data engineering, Power Platform, and many other stuff. I am a certified Microsoft Power BI and Power Platform developer. I have expertise in banking, healthcare, automobile, and few other industries. And I'm currently working as a lead engineer at Striker and mentor at KSR Data Vision. I have 3 years of training experience in both online and offline classes, and as well as I am a Microsoft certified trainer. Okay, so this is all about me. So now, before walking you guys through the PPT, let me go ahead and explain you here. What is Power Platform? So guys, I hope you must have seen Office 65 thing in your PCs. Can someone tell me what is Office 65?
Office 365 is it's a group of applications like Outlook, Word, PowerPoint,
Yes.
OneNote.
So it is nothing but group of business application that makes
Yes.
your life easier, right? Like Notepad, PowerPoint, WordPad, Paint, all those things, right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And it is from which organization? KSR Data Vision?
Microsoft.
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 Microsoft, right?
Yes.
You know already the names. Okay. So these are the set of applications launched by Microsoft for addressing multiple problems. So similarly, now Microsoft has launched a similar set of business applications that will help you that will help you basically create and solve business problems. Okay. So what are those set of applications called? It is called as Power Platform. So what are the various application under this umbrella? Let me tell you. First one will be Power BI. Then you will have PowerApps. Then you will have Power Automate. Then you will have Power Pages. The last one will be Copilot Studio, right? So now what it means, what every application is intended for. So Power BI, you already know it is for data analysis. And Power Apps will help you create apps, applications. Power Automate is automation solution. Power Pages will help you create websites. Copilot is nothing but chatbots. Can you give me example of famous chatbot, guys?
ChatGPT.
Very good. ChatGPT, right?
Gemini.
ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, all these are what? These are chatbots, right? So these are various problems that every single product is solving. Power BI is solving data analysis stuff. Power Apps, with the help of Power Apps, you will be creating applications. With the help of Power Automate, you will be doing the automation. With the help of Power Pages, you will be creating websites. And with the help of Copilot Studio, we will be able to create chatbots, right? So now, guys, let me go one more level down in the hierarchy and let me show you how they are further divided. So Power Apps is further divided into two categories: Canvas apps, model-driven apps. So in Canvas app, guys, these are UI focused app. UI focused means like you will be having complete control over the UI, and model-driven apps are data-driven apps. Again, I'm trying to give you one word for each. Again, we will be seeing everything in detail in the course. Then Power Automate again divided into two categories. First one is cloud flows. Then you have desktop flows. Okay, so this is how bifurcation looks like. And apart from this, in Power Platform, you have out of the box data solution available, which is called as data verse. And previously it used to call it as Common Data Service, CDS. Not Chief of Defense Staff, what it is, Common Data Service. I think the people who are from army background or who knows about defense forces, so CDS is a post there, right? Chief of Defense Staff. So cool. Now it is Dataverse, and what you have next thing, you have AI capabilities also with the help of AI Builder. Now Microsoft has renamed this thing also to AI Hub. Okay. So these are some additional over the top services provided by Power Platform. So now, guys, any doubts in this? Is it clear what Power Platform is?
So here AI Builder is comes under Copilot.
AI Builder is the over the top service provided by Power Platform. It can be integrated with Canvas apps and Cloud Flows.
Okay.
So I'm pretty new to this Power BI thing. So Canvas apps, and you're saying it's used to develop UI apps, right? What kind of UI apps are we talking about? Like web apps and stuff, or like what kind of apps are we referring to?
Yeah. So basically, just think you are trying to create an app for your mobile application. Okay. So
Okay.
when I talk about Canvas app, so then that means you have complete control over the UI. Suppose you want to say here, okay, logged in user image. Here you want to say in red color who is logged in. Okay. Here in the footer, you might want to show your company watermark. So if you want to achieve all these things, so for this thing, you have to create model canvas app. But if your data is huge and your UI is not your priority, you want to use out of the box UI. So then you can go ahead with the model driven app. So there, like you will not be focusing much on the UI. It will be more data heavy. So I will be showing you canvas and
Okay,
model driven apps, how it looks like.
got it. Thank you.
Cool. So guys, that I think if all of you are clear, so at least you are able to understand what is Power Platform, right?
Yes, Indra.
Yeah, Indra.
Good. So now, guys, like this is Power Platform, and this is why this is in lot of demand. Because like this is a standalone solution for the entire business problem that you are facing. Just think about any application that you're using in your phone. So what is that? It will be a app, right? If you're getting some notifications, if you're getting some task done, so that is what?
Power Automate.
That is automation, right? On the click of action, something is triggering. So that is automation. And you have seen like the chatbots also integrated, right? So you can also integrate this thing. So what I mean to say here, like all these products are tightly coupled. But tightly coupled, what I mean is you can integrate Power Apps with Power BI. You can integrate Power Apps with Power Automate. Similarly, you can integrate Power BI with Power Automate. Power Pages can be integrated. Copilot Studio can also be integrated with all the products. So the beauty of this course is, guys, we will be covering all the integrations also. Okay. So now, guys, as I told you, this Power Platform is the foundational thing for many other job roles. So if you know Power Platform end to end, and if you want to become something called as D365 developers, have you ever seen this thing? CRM
Yeah,
or D365?
Microsoft Dynamics.
Microsoft Dynamics, right? So, guys, let me make things very, very, very clear for you. What is Dynamics and what is this model-driven app? So, Dynamics is nothing what it is based on model-driven app. You can use JavaScript on top of it and C Sharp .NET plugin, and you are Dynamics developer. You don't need to learn anything else. These are the two things that you have to add in your skill set, and you are Dynamics developer. Now, how Dynamics is different from model driven apps. You have model driven app and you have D365. Both are nothing but model driven apps only. So model driven app is nothing but it is similar to building a house. And D365 is buying a house. You know the difference between building and buying a house?
Yes, it is already available. Then we can buying.
Yeah. So you can buy, you can go ahead, you can put your own furnishing there based on your taste, right? Or your liking. And you are ready to go, right? So
Yes.
building means you will be building it from scratch. So is there any difference between the raw materials which is required for building or buying a house? Here also it will be the similar thing, right? Bricks or blocks, cements, iron, concrete, right? So if you will be building a house, do these things changes?
No, it is same.
No.
It is same, right? So only the effort which is required here, it will be less. And obviously, if effort is less, so here like they will charge also extra for you that, right? So I will be telling you how licensing model works, but here it is almost I would say $4-5 for this thing, and for this thing it is $18 to $20. Cool. Not the exact numbers, but I'm trying to tell you the difference. I hope
So,
guys. Yeah.
So
Tell
that
me,
means
please.
D365 already consists of these already applications was built, or
Yeah. D365 has a basic application already built available. So what you can do, you can customize, add your functionalities, and that's it.
okay.
I hope guys you got to know this thing because there is lot of gray area around this thing. What is Power Platform and what is D365?
Yeah.
Right? Because
Yeah,
even
Indrajit, actually, yeah,
yeah,
Chiru here. Actually, I have an idea about Power Apps. Like we have built some pipeline to bring the data into Power BI. So, can you please explain in real time? I'm just missing something like Power Platform
yeah,
where we are
I'm
using.
moving to that. So just because most of you are very new to this thing, so
Yeah,
it was very necessary to tell you first of all what it is, right?
yeah,
So I'm moving to all those things, okay? Nothing to
yeah.
worry.
Okay, yes. Okay.
So again, this desktop flows, it's a competitor for RPA market also. You know RPA market, guys? RPA,
Yeah.
robotics
Testing, yeah.
process
Robotic process
automation.
automation.
You
Testing,
have
yeah.
UiPath there, you have Blue
Blue
Prism.
Prism automation anywhere.
Yeah. So now this is the fourth product in the category, which is leader, Power Automate Desktop.
And Pega
Okay.
also is an automated RPA, right? Pega.
Pega, there are so many, but these are the four leaders
Okay.
in the category. There are, I think there are almost 20-25 products available for RPA.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, this is how the Power Platform looks like. So now what we will be covering in the course. So we will be covering every module end to end. Okay. Every topic we will be covering. So now I want to give you guys one challenge also in the beginning of the course itself. So let us see how many of you are able to create the apps which I will be giving. Okay. I don't feel like that is some technically challenging, like you will not be able to create or something. We will be covering everything in the course, but it is more, I would say, the psychological challenge that I will be giving you. You have to complete the projects end to end. Let's see how many of you are able to create. So, by the end of 3.5 months or 80 sessions, I want Actually, I want all of you to go ahead and create the apps, but let's see how many of you are able to create one Canvas app end to end, one model driven apps, few Power Automate flow integration here, and then one Power BI report. Let us see how many of you are able to create that. And believe me, guys, if you are creating it, no one can stop you from getting the job or getting this or switching your technologies. No one can stop you guys. Okay. And after 18 sessions, you will be interview ready. You can go ahead, attend any interview. You can go ahead, work on any stuff in Power Automate. But provided the condition is you have to go ahead, learn the stuff, you have to go ahead, practice. If you're not practicing enough, if you're only joining the class and watching it like a episode of web series, okay, Indra is telling a story, let's watch it. It is sounding very good. So then it is not gonna help. Let me be very clear, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because basics are same everywhere. Like I am not a magician sitting here with the stylus. I'll say, okay, this is this, and it will automatically go ahead and feed in your brains, and you will start working on it. Practice is the key. I can give you all the tools. I can give you all the tools ready in your pocket, but if you're not using your tools which are available in your pocket or toolbox, they will not be functional, right? After few days, right? I hope I'm setting the tone correct in the day one itself.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Cool.
yes.
So let me walk you guys through the like now you all have fair idea about Power Platform. Let me walk you guys through what we will be covering here and little more details about it. And then I can open the doubt session again. So guys, who can learn Power Platform? So Power Platform, one who hates coding, who hates to write lot of code, okay? And then if you are from non-IT and you want to switch to IT, this is a good choice. If you want to switch technologies, so suppose you are already working on Power BI, you are already working on in any other technology, suppose Excel, BVA, and you're not getting good hikes, you're not getting good opportunities in the market. So go ahead, learn this, and then you will feel the difference. So it is good opportunities for freshers because it is low code, no code, less time to learn, more results. Okay. Then if you have career gap, you can go ahead, learn this. If you want to cross skill yourself, like you already know few stuff and you want to, like, your organization is asking you to cross skill, right? You already Power Platform, Power BI developer. They want you to go ahead and learn other stuff. So if you fall into any of these category, it will be good fit for you. Then what is Power Platform? No need to cover this thing because you already know now. Now you can explain me what is Power Platform, right? Are you in this are you in that condition? So it is nothing but group of application to develop business solution, analyze, visualize, automate, and build agents for communication. So these are the products which are available. Copilot Studio was formerly called as Power Virtual Agent. Then who is a Power Platform developer and what you will be getting here? So we will be training you on PowerApps. We will be training you on Power BI, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, Power Pages, and I will be taking 3 to 4 dedicated interview related sessions. And once you are attended everything, you have practiced everything enough, you have created the homework projects. So then you can obviously like results will be positive only. So this is how the certification path for Microsoft Power Platform looks like. This is the foundational certification. Then you can go ahead any of these certification, and this is the architect certification. So after this course, you can go ahead and give this certification because this is the first one with which you have to start. Once it is done, you can go ahead and choose any which you have to give. Clear, guys? Certification.
Yes, Indu.
I'll keep this slide for 10 seconds. You can see what are the various certifications available. Cool. So why Power Platform developers are in demand?
Yeah, can you go back to the previous slide? Like we want to note it down.
You want a snapshot?
Yeah,
That is fine. You will be getting this in YouTube also. And you will be getting recording of the session also. But still, if you want, you can take it.
yeah, got it.
Good. So why Power Platform is in demand? Because every organization wants to do this business transformation, right? Every organization wants to get rid of redundant tasks that they are doing. So Power Platform is very, I would say, helpful in doing all those stuff. So they are doing with the help of Power Platform, they are saving lot of man hours, and due to which skilled Power Platform developer are required. So there are shortage of skilled developers in the market. By skill developers, what I mean, like people are lacking that architecture skill. Like what is the issue in the market? Because I have also interviewed around more than 200 people. Okay. And what is the common trend that I have seen? People are not expert in most of the tech stack in Power Platform. They are, they know Power BI, but they might not know Power Automate. Okay. And if they know Power Apps, might be they are only comfortable in Canvas apps. Okay, they are not at all aware about model driven apps. So if they know Power Apps, they are not aware about this, not aware about this. Some people know this little bit about Power Automate Cloud Flows and little bit about Canvas apps, but they don't know how to integrate. They don't know what model driven app is. They don't know the concepts about Dataverse. So if you don't know like how the things are, so then how you will be able to design a solution, right? You don't know how Dataverse works. Dataverse is the back end of this stuff, right? So this is the main issue that I have felt. I have interviewed candidates ranging from 2 to I would say 24 years of experience, and this is the similar trend that I got. And this, what can be the other cause why it is in demand? So it is a rapidly growing market, guys. So why market? Which market it belongs to? It belongs to low code, no code market. Low code, no code. So I want you to go ahead and search on your mobile phones, low code, no code market growth. You will be getting approximately 25 plus percent CAGR. CAGR is nothing but compounded annual growth rate, right? Growth rate. So it will be 25%. So if you are putting something in FD, it will grow at 7%, right? Mutual funds, 15%. So why I'm giving this example? So that you are able to relate how much it is growing.
Hello.
So it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me.
So I have one doubt. So you are saying like this is like low code, no code. So if we have to do some code, then on which language we need to do the code? Do we have any special coding language, or is it like C
Look,
sharp or?
look. It is low code, no code. That means most of the things that you will be doing with the help of expressions. So if you have like slimmest of the thing, like you want to write some code. So obviously it will be nothing what it will be client side logic that you will be writing, right? On your apps. Like when user is selecting this field, this should happen, that should happen. So that will be getting written in JavaScript.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Got it?
Yes,
Sir,
thank
can
you.
you repeat again what is
I
the
am saying
JavaScript?
like suppose you are getting any requirement that is not at all possible to do with low code, no code. So the in that case you will be writing the client side logic. Client side logic is nothing but you are able to see this PPT, right? So you are the client for this. And what will be the server where this PPT is stored? That is server, right? So if you want to apply the client side logic, it will be applied in JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay. So for in JavaScript also there is a API called as XRM Toolbox, XRM API. So you have to learn this API, you are good to go. XRM API. There are hardly 5 to 10, or I would say more than 20 functions, but only 5 to 10 you will be using first update, delete, and all CRUD operations. Okay, so this platform is very versatile because it has solution for every problem that one can face, and you can go ahead and integrate all the stuff together. So this is why it is in demand. So this is one thing. Second thing can be like, suppose you want to create a product with legacy technologies and with the help of our platform. Do you feel like there will be lot of man hour saving as well as budget saving, and the turnaround time will be very less? Do you agree with me? What
Yes.
I'm trying to
For
say.
various solutions, people are expecting to build the applications within a week or month.
Yeah, not exactly like not exactly within a week, because again, like the SDLC is same. You will be going ahead, taking the requirement, analyzing, designing, and then developing, right? So 4 to 6 weeks is the ideal time that I can say.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm asking about instead of complete lifecycle development, with development part alone.
Yeah, development part you can say 2 to 3 weeks,
Yes.
depending on the complexity involved.
Yeah.
And I have worked on projects which lasted for years also. If you work with Microsoft, this our Indian services companies, right?
Which one?
Indian services companies like HCL, TCS,
Haha.
Infosys,
Yeah,
Wipro,
yeah.
right?
Mm.
So because there will be continuous improvement in your products. They will ask, okay, let's do this now, let's do this, do that, and all those things. Okay. So what are the various benefits? Some like one developer will do everything, right? Less developers required. Then less turnaround time. Turnaround time is nothing, guys. If I'll give you some task, and once you completing it, after completion, if you will come back to me and tell me, so that is turnaround time. And cost saving, right? So now you will say, sir, Power
I have
Platform has license. Yeah.
I have one question, Indra. So basically, if the projects can be done in couple of months, then what will happen to our, I mean, the project? Like we'll be put in different project because you
Yeah,
said
yeah.
like
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah.
So project will be done like when we are talking about 2 to 3 weeks, it will be one iteration, one sprint. So obviously, like there will be more requirements in your project, right? Because whenever you will go ahead, now we are working now in which we are in which world? We are in agile world, right? We are not using waterfall method anywhere. So if you don't know about waterfall method or agile method, that's fine. So let me tell you what agile means. Agile means you will go ahead, first of all, you will develop MVP. MVP stands for minimum viable product. So once you will develop MVP, people will start using, they will give you feedback. So then you will implement the features. Again, they will start using, they will give you feedback, you will be implementing the features. So it will get developed like this in multiple iterations. So previously, what used to happen in waterfall method, you will get requirement and then you will develop everything in one go and you are sorted for few months. But now that is not the criteria. Okay.
Yes. And the second question I have is, what about the performance? If we add too much complex logic into Power Apps,
Yeah, so
how the
performance, all
performance
those
would
things
be?
we will be discussing best practices and all. They are performance.
Okay.
That's why like they are exist in the market, right? So I will be letting you know.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, guys. So how cost saving will be done if you're using less developers, less cost. You might be replacing something, right? If you're automating a redundant task, so there also like you will be reducing the time of employees. So they will cut down their employees. So again, less cost for that. Similarly, these are the reasons why which it is in demand. So now let me go ahead to the next slide. So these are the snapshot of Naukri.com guys that we had. So you can go ahead in your Naukri profile and check it like how many jobs are available. So there will be a lot. Again, like there is no issue in getting the job or something. Only issue is you should have the right skill set. That is it. It is having more jobs in the market right now as compared to data analytics and all that I have already mentioned. Okay. So who is Power Platform developer? One who knows Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, and integration of all this ecosystem is called as Power BI, Power Platform developer. Then what will be the roles and responsibilities if you work as a Power Platform developer? So we have tried to standardize the thing. So you will be designing the application, developing the application, testing the application, deploying the application, maintaining the application, collaborating with client to get the continuous feedback. So this will be the role of your Power Platform developer. Now, again, you know, Power Platform is backed by Microsoft, right? So we have added a slide for Microsoft. What Microsoft is, Microsoft, you already know, it is one of the biggest tech giant in the market. And if something has backing from Microsoft, so you know, like it will be a lot of, I would say, the credibility in the market. So due to that, it is backed by Microsoft and it has a lot of, I would say, visibility in the market. Again, like in low code, no code market, Power Platform is not the only thing. You have OutSystems, you have Salesforce low code, you have so many things. But this Power Platform is the market leader in low code, no code market, and it has almost, I would say, more than 80% of the market share. Okay. So now, where we will be helping you guys? What is KSR Data Vision? How we can help you in your journey to become a Power Platform developer? So we will be providing you around 100 hours of content, 80 sessions almost, we will be helping you with 6+ real-time projects. And one thing to be very, I would say, guys, cognizant about, you will be getting an organizational account with us, which no one is providing in the market right now. You will be getting a dedicated license. People will not provide you this license in the market. You can go ahead if you want to try, you can try it. And you will be getting interview guidance, resume preparation assistance. I will be telling about soft skills. We have tie-up with companies. We can help you with the references. We have dedicated placement cell that will help you all the stuff. So why I'm emphasizing on this thing? Because I know the market. Again, I would not want to mention all those things in the recorded line about the competitors. That is fine. But this is our USP. Another USP is like I am the trainer here and I have real-time experience in almost every product which is there in Power Platform, and I will be able to give you much more insights. Okay. So you will be getting all the basically the fruit of all the experience that I had in Power Platform. So you will be getting all those things in this 80 sessions. Okay. So this is how we will be helping you guys. So if you have any doubt here, you can go ahead and tell me.
For how many months we are getting this license?
It is for 1 year.
Okay.
And any new updates that are happening for PowerApps? Somebody was asking in the WhatsApp group.
Somebody was asking in the
And somebody's asking in the WhatsApp group. So what is the latest improvements in PowerApps?
Yeah. So Naveen, like whatever is getting added latestly, we are updating our curriculum and we are up to date.
Yeah, coming to the license, like is it a single license for all the Power Platform
No,
or individual license?
it is license specific for all products. For Power Platform, it is for Power Automate it is different, and for other products it is different.
Okay.
Hi, Indra, I have a quick question. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Ajay, go ahead.
Yes, Indra. Just could you please let us know the number of hour allotted for the different models like Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps,
Yeah.
Power Pages.
Yeah, very good
Yeah.
question. I will
And
be
one
walking you
and
guys
one
through
more
that.
thing. One more thing. Yeah, that's right. One more thing. Let's say someone has already done, Power BI, but that Power BI is already in this course and they don't like to, opt for Power BI, but
Ajay, your
remaining
voice is breaking.
Hello. What I'm saying, if someone
Yeah.
has already done Power BI, right?
Mhm.
So definitely there is no use of taking Power BI classes again. And what else if somebody don't want to take Power BI, but remaining classes would like to continue? Then what would be the
Again, like
structure for
Ajay,
that?
like it depends on person to person. But how I think as an individual, like if you are paying for the entire course, you should go ahead and cover entire classes. Why? Because we are going ahead and might be who knows. Like if I'm telling you something and you don't know it. So it will be value addition. If you don't know, if you already know, that will be the reason for you. So but as per me, as an individual, if you will ask me, I would want you to go ahead and attend all the classes.
I mean, there is no discount or concession if somebody don't like to opt for the Power BI. That's my question was.
So if you don't want to attend Power BI, so then you can start from next module also. So next module will start exactly after 15 sessions. So first 15 sessions will be on Power BI.
There will be any concession on that?
No, that's what I'm saying. Like it's a Power Platform course. So we are supposed to give you this thing because concession, like if I'll break down this course fee into I would say particulars, so then you will be getting it is very affordable. So we will be charging around, I guess, 27,000 to you guys. And if you will be doing one time payment, we will be giving you discounts. So you can get in touch with the team to understand more about that. So the license that you're getting, it is worth $100, guys, almost. And GST and all, so it will be, I would say, very less amount for us. So why we have this much less? Because we want to serve more people in the market. Okay, we want to create impact. So that's why if you will go ahead and check in the other courses available in the market, they're not covering all the modules and they are charging you 35,000 and they're not giving you licensing also. Again,
One
not
last
trying to,
question.
yeah.
Yeah, that's I can understand. Last question. After completion of the course, the project that you'll be working with, so what kind of project that would be? That will be combination of only, Power App, Power Automate, or it will combine all these three, four
It will be
content you have.
combining all the things together.
Okay.
Again, like I'll explain you how the classes also work. That's fine. So basically my doubt was here. Like it is clear like what we will be providing you.
Right, right. Yeah.
Cool. So now guys, you will be having 1.5 hours of session starting at 8 a.m. every day, and it will go up to 9:30 a.m. So first we will start the session around 8:05 almost. Now it does not mean like you should join at 8:05. You can join at 8 and I will wait for 5 minutes for everyone to join. At sharp 8:05 we will start and we will have content till almost 9, 10 or 9:15 and then 20 minutes for doubt session. Okay. So this is how the class looks like. And now next thing is how we will be working on the stuff. So today you have seen PPT because like this is nothing but the first session. I want to set the tone right. Might be you are very new to the stuff, what is Power Platform and all. Now you will not see this PPT for next 79 sessions. Everything will be project driven. So what we will do, I will go ahead and start one Power BI report in the class. So with the help of that Power BI project, I will be explaining you all the functionalities related to Power BI. Similarly, we will be creating one Canvas app in the class. With the help of that Canvas app, I will be letting you know all the functionalities in Canvas app. Similarly for model driven app and similar for every other products. So how it helps you. So it will help you understand and get that idea how to kick off a project because how we will be starting everything from scratch. We will be starting with data design first, every project. So after data design, we will be seeing how it will be implemented. So then I will explain every feature in that project. So what I am expecting from you after the class, you will go ahead and create the same project and you will try to implement the same feature after every class in that project. So this will help you create multiple projects. So in the class itself, we will be creating 1, 2, 3 Power Pages website, 4. Okay. And you will be creating one project in homework, one for Power BI, one for Canvas app, one for model driven app, one for this. So there will be more than 6 projects. So that's why I have written 6 plus. Okay. So this is how the entire course will look like. So now you will say me, okay, sir, what will be the kind of project that we will be working? Okay. So for me, the projects that I give, that is very open-ended. Okay. So I want you to go ahead, think like a customer, then implement like a developer. So guys, if you don't understand the business side, okay, nowadays, what is trend in the market? You have to be aware about the business side. If you know the business side of it, only then you will be able to implement it, right? Only then you can become a good developer, isn't it? So that I will be giving you the skills. I will be what to say, fitting that attitude in your DNA, like how to understand the problem, how to go ahead and doing that stuff. So all those things, I will train you on that. You don't have to worry anything. You just have to follow the session, practice it. If you have any doubt, go ahead, ask me. That is the drill that you have to follow for next 80 sessions. And after that, like once you are done with this thing, you have completed everything, created all the projects, you will see the difference. Okay, so now let me go ahead and show you the curriculum, how it looks like. So guys, First module will be Power BI. We will be starting with desktop and then service. Then next module will be Power Apps. We'll start with Canvas apps, Dataverse, model-driven apps, and Power Pages. Okay. Then we will go ahead and start next Power Automate Cloud, desktop. Then we will start with Microsoft Copilot Studio. Then we will start with Power Platform Admin Center, and I will tell you about basic SQL and Excel manipulation and projects we will be creating here itself with every module. Okay, and this is how the tentative day-wise plan looks like. Okay, so this will be shared with you for all 80 days.
I have one question in that. So, if you want to, suppose let's say the PowerApps project is already created, and its backend is SharePoint, and if you want to use Dataverse, is it a possible option?
Yeah, it is. And you will be glad to know, like for Power Apps, we will be using SharePoint only here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So why I'm using SharePoint here? Because I want to give you the flavor of every data source. Okay. So Canvas apps we will be creating with SharePoint.
Okay.
Okay. And Power BI report, we will be creating a data set will be hosted in a SharePoint folder in Excel format or OneDrive. Then this model driven app will be created on Dataverse. Again, guys, these are the sources which you have to worry less about, because the thing that you have to actually worry is how to implement the stuff in the Canvas app. So now suppose instead of SharePoint, your source is SQL. So what you have to do? You have to change the connection only, and then you have to change the data field name. That is it.
Or even Dataverse can be used for the Canvas app?
Yeah. Canvas
Or
app can
Dataverse is only for model-driven apps?
No. The Canvas app can be used for more than 100 plus data sources.
Okay.
Yeah. This is more functional side of it. I am there. I'll explain you like how to use, how to even create model driven app on other data sources. I will tell you how to do that. Okay. And guys, these are the contact numbers for our team. You can go ahead, get in touch with our team. They will help you for any kind of doubts or any clarification if you need. If you need any technical clarification, you can ask me, guys. So we are into doubt session officially. So any doubts related to anything, you can go ahead and I will be able to give you the most relevant answer. Yes, guys. Floor is all yours. Don't hesitate. Whatever you have, ask me.
Yes, I have a quick question. When you start explaining or taking classes on the DAX functions, until what extent would you be going?
Again, Prasad, like I will not go ahead and I will say, okay, this is max, this is that thing. So whatever I will be covering in the DAX, I have worked as a Power BI developer also for around 2-3 years. So all the use cases that I face there, I will be implementing it here. And with those use cases, you can tweak it here and there, and you will be able to, I would say, solve 90-95% of problem that you will be facing in the Power BI development.
Okay.
Okay. It will not be the basic thing. Okay, I will say, okay, this is concat. If you add Prasad and Imani, this will become Prasad Imani. Not like that. Nothing like that. It will be fully, I would say, industry driven. There we will be writing complex tax only. We will be working with measures, columns, all those things we will be doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then it's fine.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, Swapna.
Are you going to teach JavaScript as well? As I said, it is
No,
required.
JavaScript, Swapna, it is required. Like if you want to go ahead for Dynamics 365 role or not. For Power Platform, it is not at all required. So just you ask me the doubt if we have to write code. So in which language we will be writing, it will be JavaScript. Again, this is low code, no code course, and you have lot of things, believe me, to learn about. And 80 sessions are there to cover that. Once you are comfortable with that, if you want to pivot into Power Platform, Dynamics 365, you can go ahead, learn JavaScript. You can get in touch with me. I will guide you how to learn, what to learn. But in classes, it will not be covered.
Oh,
So Indra, the Power Platform components is there, right? PCF. So those will be covered here.
No, PCF again includes that thing, right?
I didn't get you.
I'm saying PCF again includes some coding part of it, right?
Mm.
Again, it is not the part of the curriculum.
Okay. Yeah. Basically, using this SPF framework, SPFX
Yeah,
framework.
correct. Yeah. PCF again for Power Platform developer, I have given a lot many interviews and I have accessed many people. No one asked me, but for Dynamics, people have asked for PCF and all.
Mhm. So most probably in the interviews also won't get, you're saying.
Sorry?
But as a Power Platform developer, so
You will not get, because there are so many things, right? So I will show you one internal thing that I have for my reference, so that I'm not missing on anything. So we are covering it to, I would say, very, very vast. Okay. So you know about Power BI, right? So Power BI, we are covering merge queries, append queries, data storage modes, bookmarks, drill throughs, interactions, measures, field parameters, calculated tables, surveys, publishing the report, sharing, workspace access, Power BI app, subscription, gateways, dashboard alerts, usage metrics, RLS, data flows, deployment pipeline, parameter, incremental refresh, paginated report, multiple developers on the same report, and performance analyzer. So we are covering everything end to end, okay? And just have a look here also for Canvas app. We are starting from product walkthrough and we are covering till offline capabilities, modern controls, responsive app, share app, everything we are covering. Similarly for this thing also, we are covering data flows, virtual table, deployment pipeline, patching, connect to gate, share app. So I have included each and everything which is there. Okay. So it is more than enough. But if you want to learn about PCF, JavaScript and all, I'm not saying like you should not learn it. It is always better to add on your skills. Okay. But that is the part of Dynamics. Once you are comfortable with all this stuff, go ahead and learn this. No one is stopping you from that. But this is the prerequisite. Okay.
At the end of the course, will we be able to build an app like Fitter or Healthify Me, something like that?
Yeah. Not, I would say you don't have to wait for end of the course. You can right away start that after Canvas apps, after 1 month.
Okay.
And
And
also, Indra, I'm already a part of a Power BI full stack. So can I continue this course about leaving the Power BI part and Canvas, Power Automate, and remaining stuff?
Yeah, that is your personal choice, Satish. If you want to continue after Power BI module, that is also fine. I don't feel any challenge there.
Okay, so there won't be any miss, right? The integration part and all.
No. Integration we will be covering in Canvas app. So you should already be knowing about workspaces, right? Workspaces, how to embed and all. So that is fine if you want to skip. It's your personal choice.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah, fine.
Sir, here, is there any connection between Power Apps and Power BI? So Power BI, it is for report designing purpose, and the app Power App means it is creating the app purpose. Huh? So we are Power Apps, it is a data sources like as a SharePoint or SQL something, and Power BI also it is different data sources. So in the Power BI output, like as in the Power BI service, there is a schematic model. From the schematic model to Power Apps, is there any connection, or how we will use these Power Apps?
Very good. So that reminds me of the thing I have to tell you about projects also, what we will be building. Okay. So I will be showing you there, right? Sorry, just give me a sec.
Yeah.
So I'll show you the latest project that we built in the class for Canvas app. It was expense tracker app. Apps. Okay, expense management app. This is the one that we built in the class. View expense request. Okay, I think here I don't have Power BI. I think that version is not saved. Let me try to show you from some other app. Appointment manager. Go back. Oh, from here also it is removed. Come on. Yes, insights. Look, so here we have embedded the Power BI report. So now see how it is working. It is just embedding here. Your Power BI, all the stuff re retains on that Power BI server only, but it is embedded in the UI. You will be able to consume the insights from here. Okay.
Okay. And if you open this report, means the entire report will display here
Entire
only.
report will load. I'm not able to see it because my license got expired. So my new account is created. I'm got logged in with the old account. So you will be able to see the entire report here. Everything will work. Filter, slicer, everything will work as usual.
In Canvas app, this is working.
Yeah, this is in Canvas app.
Okay, through Canvas app, we can able
Yeah.
to see all the visualizations, whatever in Power BI report.
Yes. And this is the app that we created, guys. So you can view expense requests. You can go ahead and create new expenses. You will be able to see all the expenses. If you want to bulk assign those ticket, you can do that. If you want to edit, you can edit it. If you want to go ahead, delete some stuff, you can delete. Okay. So we have implemented this pop-up here. So you can cancel. If you want to clear all filters, you can do that. If you want to select new department and you want to filter on the basis of department, you can do that. So everything that you are able to see on your screen, entire functionalities we have developed from scratch. Okay. So when you will go ahead and start with Canvas app, you will be getting a blank canvas, a white page, blank white page. So we have developed everything from zero. So although like UI might look very basic, but this is developed on the fly in the class itself. Okay. So
Yeah,
this
yes,
is
sir.
how.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. And one more thing. Here, mm, in the course curriculum from the app is showing the starting with PowerApps, but now you are saying about starting with Power BI. My assumption is
Again,
correct.
yes. So how it works. So as I think I'm not able to recall the name of the guy who was saying like he's already expert in Power BI. Who was that? Are you there or left?
I,
Ajay, right? So suppose.
I am expert, still I am learning, but I said I am not required.
Okay, so suppose Ajay is saying, okay, Indra, I don't require Power BI. So in that case, guys, our course structure starts like this. First module will be Power BI, then Power Apps, then Power Pages, then Power Automate, then Copilot Studio, and then miscellaneous sessions like interview and Excel and all. Okay. So now some people don't want to attend this module. So we start our batch with this. We take admissions here. And if the people don't want to go ahead, we take admissions here also because some people don't want to go ahead and implement this. So what will happen after 15 days? You will get again a notification where we will go ahead and you will get 5 sessions for Power Apps and then you can enroll for here. And if you want to go ahead and after this session, if you want to go ahead. So then fifth module can be Power BI for you. You can request our team. They can add it in your curriculum. I hope it is making sense now.
Okay.
Right? Naveen, is it clear?
Yes, yes. I have one question. Actually, in Power Apps, do we have any reusable components?
Yeah, you do have reusable components
in Power Apps.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how many sessions Power BI will in this module will goes to?
15.
15.
Or we 15 is written here.
15, 15, 15. 15 for Power BI, 15 for Canvas app, 15 for model driven app. And total you will be getting 80 sessions. Again, 15 session is not a big deal. 3 weeks, right? 3.5 weeks. So my recommendation
It's
will
lot
be
to
if
be
you're
covered.
enrolling. Sorry?
A lot to be covered in 15.
Yeah, a lot to be. Again, like session is also 1.5 year, 5, not 1.5 year, 1.5 hour, right? So
Hours.
that is
Almost 700 books.
sorry. Yeah, someone was saying something. I did not got it. Please come again.
Hi Indra.
Hi.
Actually, in Power BI, we are feeling DAX is a little bit complex. Like in Power Apps also, we are having like that one.
In PowerApps, you have PowerFX.
Power
Don't
FX.
let your feelings, I would say, affect you guys. I am there to tackle all your feelings. Okay.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah,
worry. I will make it simplify for you.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
See, I am actually working on Power Apps. Okay. And it
Yeah.
is more like an Excel formulas. If you know Excel, if you're very good at using Excel formulas equal to, and you can write any formula, lookups, all that. Power Apps is very similar to that.
Similar to
So
that, right?
yes, you should not be scared of any of this. And
Yeah. So now I hope
we
guys
should
you will
ask
not
tough
start
questions
learning
like how
Excel.
we can integrate. Sorry, Indra, I'm not.
Yeah. Sorry,
We should
sorry. Yeah,
learn how
sorry,
to
sorry.
integrate all of these components. Without that, in real world, that's tough to survive in the job. So yeah, it's
I have
getting
one
more
more.
and more.
So now after this, I hope guys you will not start learning Excel. So there is no requirement for learning Excel. So if you know Excel, that is good. So you will be able
Yes.
to relate a bit. But if you don't know, then also it's fine. I will let you know how to learn, how to. One thing is very clear. I will not ask you to go ahead and cram anything. Everything I will give you I would say, very practical approach so that you can go ahead and write any DAX or PowerFX formula.
Thank you, Indra. It's very helpful.
And sir, you mentioned in the PPT like 6+ projects. Yeah, like Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate. It is almost 3 projects will cover. The remaining
Again,
other
sign
2
like
projects.
Power Automate, I don't consider it as a project.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
If
Yeah,
if
yeah,
I'll start counting Power Platform, then it will be 15. Okay. I don't want to like add the number just for the selling of the course. Okay. I want to actually give you the stuff. So it will be more than 6. How? One Power BI report we will be building in the class, one you will be building in the homework. 2 projects for Power BI, one Canvas app in the class, one in the homework. 2 projects for Canvas app, 4 2 model driven apps, 6 to Power Pages website, 8, right? And lot of Power Automate flow cloud flows, lot of Power Automate desktop flows, chatbot you will be building. So all these things will be there. So it will be more than 6 for sure. So this is how it works.
and in the there is a 90 days plan in the sheet. You mentioned there is almost nearly 20+ days for the project. In the 20+ days, you are covering all the things in the same one project, or
Yes,
how?
I like there it is mentioned as project, but what we are doing, we are covering the project in the class itself. In those 20 plus days, also you will be learning about topics. Okay. So you are starting your module with the project itself. You don't have to wait for 50 sessions where I will go ahead and tell you, okay, this is how it thing works. And then after 50 session, we will start implementing it. So day one itself will be the implementation stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Indra, I have one question on Power Apps. I'm facing an issue with Power Automate and Power Apps integration.
Okay.
So everything is working fine with Power Automate. I was able to get the data, but I need to inform. Some of the Power App flows were failing, but still we are notifying it as success. So is there any solution that we can implement in Power Apps, like if the Power
I hope
Automate
you are
flow
sending
fails?
response to your Power Apps.
Yeah, I'm sending the response, but that variable is not getting recognized. I set the output variable also, but that
It is not
variable
at
is
all
not
showing in
getting
the app.
recognized. In Power Apps, it's not. How to see that one? Like in Power Automate, if it's set send the output variable, is there a way that we can see in Power Apps that variable is received or not? Any logs or anything we can
You
check?
can set that variable in a what to say local variable, na? Whatever you are receiving. You will be doing flow name dot run call, right?
Yes.
So then you can store that object in a variable. Okay. So might be they should be issue in your PowerFX because it should work. Because what should be the thing? So suppose you are sending a flag called as run true, right? So now what you will do, you will go ahead, you will set a variable and like you can set a variable response, set a response, comma, your flow name dot run and you will run your
False.
flow, right? And it will give you the result in the response now. So now what you have to do, you have to write response dot flag. So if it is true, that means flow
Oh,
runs. So it will be object.
okay.
Response will be object.
Okay. So in Power Apps, we should write response dot the variable name, what we
Yeah,
set in
correct.
Power Apps.
Yeah, because Power Automate will give you the object.
Okay. Okay. Let me try that. I didn't try that option.
Yeah.
I just gave like
And you will
variable
be very
if
glad to know,
variable
like we will be
false.
covering the exact thing in the course also.
Okay.
So now you can relate like whatever we are covering, you are actually implementing in the projects.
Mm. Yeah, because today in the demo they were saying why it's even though the Power Automate flow got failed, why you are seeing the Power Apps showing as notification showing as success. So
Yeah.
so now I'm trying to fix that. Thank you, Indra.
Thank you. So again, guys, like I want to make sure like whatever we are covering in the course, it is relevant to you. I don't want to wake up at 8 a.m. and do some time pass. Okay, let's go ahead and take the class just for the sake of taking it. I don't do that and I don't want to do that. I want to cover everything which is very relevant and you're using it. Okay. Because I am not interested in waking up at 8 a.m. to do time pass or formalities. Okay. Whatever we will be covering, it will be at top notch quality and it will be helping you in your day to day projects. And let's see, guys. I have given you one challenge. Like after 80 days, who will be able to give me all the projects? I am hoping that all of you will create your projects, put it on the LinkedIn, because this is the one thing that for you should be self motivated. I will keep on asking you in the class, but if you don't have that self motivation, you will not be creating the projects. I have seen many people in the previous batches in the starting classes their energy will be all time high, but when a few modules ends, when they got project, so they will have lot of backlogs. Why backlogs? Because might be so due to some office reasons or due to some other personal reasons, they're not attending live classes or they are attending live classes but they're not practicing. So it will like start building backlogs and then you will not be able to cope up. So this is my recommendation to you. Just try to attend every class live. Just try to cover every class topic after the class. It will not take more than 2 hours. So you take out 2 hours every day, work on the stuff. Just a matter of 3-4 months. So once you have done the stuff, so automatically once you will be in the job, you will be working on all this stuff day in, day night, right? Day in, day out. So that will help you. And anyone have any doubt related to placements and all, like, sir, okay, I am in this tech stack.
And
Hi,
after
Nishant.
completing this, am I able to move into Dynamics 365 after learning something like JavaScript and C
Yeah,
Sharp,
yeah.
which
This
is
is
what?
this is more than enough for Power Platform. We are covering everything. For model driven app, we are covering everything. Only you have to learn XRM API and one interface in C Sharp plugin. That is it. Other than that, business process flows, business rule, everything we are covering here.
Okay, and what about
I
Power
have
Pages? Are you covering in depth or just basics?
No, no, Naveen, like in my current project, I'm a Power Pages developer. I'm working as a Power Pages developer. So I will be covering it in depth.
no,
Sorry,
that's
about
not my
Power
question.
Pages. I'm asking about Power Pages.
I'm also telling about Power Pages. In my current
Yeah,
project, we
no
are working on
worries.
Power Pages.
Yeah, I too joined because I saw all of the concepts that were being taught by Indra um, are very helpful. That's why even I joined in this session. So no worries on that. And Indra, one question: how long your projects were in Power Apps, like app build, and I mean I have not seen Power Pages, but how long that project would be like?
Again, Naveen, like it depends on which kind of project you are working. So I was working on a project of Dynamics, like where we were using model
Mm-hmm.
driven as Power Automate and everything. So it was in my first organization, and when I joined that, it was 3-year-old project, and still it is running. So it is almost 8 years. Okay. And I have, like in my current organization, we are working on a project which is running from almost, I would say, last 1 year. And you will be
Mm-hmm.
getting less projects, less time frame projects also, like for 6 months, 4 months, like that. But mostly, like as I told you, right, you are also working professional. So they will be following agile. Client will come, you will deliver MVP. They will come again with few more improvements that you have to develop. They will come again. So it is, I would say, never ending process.
Right, right. Yeah, for our company, they initially told like in 3 months, and it's been 6 months, and still they're making
Yeah,
changes to
because
the app. You
because
know.
the moment they will use it, okay, they will realize, okay, we should have this also. This functionality is not good. Let's do it that way. So then, like, this is to and fro.
Mm. Okay, it's everywhere the same. I thought it's only within
No,
our
no, no.
branch.
It's everywhere same. The process is same. That's why I'm telling you, na. Like we have same soul that is driving us, right? We may have different bodies, different body structures, different face structures, but that underlying thing is same.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Indra, after coming the new updates like APIs and SDKs, so it is rapidly growing, I believe.
Nishant, you're asking what about new updates?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, new
I
updates.
thought
We
it
are.
is more powerful.
Nishant, your voice is little distorted. Just try to ask question a little calmly, a little slow. Okay, I'm not getting what you're asking. Please go ahead there once again. What you're saying?
I'm asking after coming new updates, it is rapidly growing in the market after coming the new updates like APIs. and SGPs is getting more powerful after coming the new
Yeah,
updates.
we are covering those things, Nishant. Whatever updates are getting added, I'm covering that.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, Roshan.
I just joined a little late, so I wanted to understand in Power Apps, will you be covering only Canvas or model-driven app as well?
We will be covering both.
Okay.
So, Roshan, why you asked this doubt? Have you attended any other class anywhere where they were covering only Canvas app?
No, no, I'm already working professional. I'm in EY. Okay.
Okay. I just wanted to cross check with you because there are few things in the market where they are only covering Power Apps and Cloud Flows in Power Automate. So that's why that's fine.
Yeah, but mostly I think Canvas is not much. So I think even we can get that multiple videos on the Canvas and all, but model-driven is something that they demands.
Yeah. So again, Roshan, like you can go ahead, watch the recording. Like four more sessions are free session. You can go ahead, watch it. If still you have doubt, you can ask me in the next session. But again, the idea here is to make you guys Power Platform architects, okay? So that you know end to end how things work. You know solutioning part of it, how to create solution using Power Platform. So we will be covering entire things in the Power Platform, whatever it is.
Okay, so even in the Power Automate, you will go very in depth of.
Yeah, we will go. We will cover the actual use cases like reading email attachments. Okay, like getting the content of the email. So I have worked on a project for organization called as ABC. Okay, I'll not name it. It's a, I would say, bank, and we have created their support system using this thing. They used to get, suppose you are working with HDFC Bank, so you will be getting queries at the rate hdfcbank.com, right? Support at the rate hdfcbank.com. So that is what? That is nothing but the shared mailbox, right? So whatever support you are getting there, so we have streamlined on the entire process. So I will tell you the architecture, how we developed it using Power Platform.
Yeah, even I also come across something in Power Automate. So there are certain email attachment in Notepad, and it should be auto downloaded to the Excel. There are certain calculation has to be made, and then the email should revert back to the recipient. And even though you are on the leave, your system is shut down, but that should auto triggered. So
You will
that
be
is
able to use implement those kind of use cases very easily, Roshan.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Cool, guys, it's 9:30. We can end the session here. So you can go ahead. If someone joins late, go through the recording. It will be available on YouTube and as well as in our KSR portal. And let's join again at the same time tomorrow. So yeah, Mahesh, you have something? Eh, Yeah, Roshan,
Yes,
you try.
nothing. Same link is available. Same link tomorrow also you can use, and I'm sharing the our YouTube also. It's a live going live now, so I will share that link. Let me take the host. Yeah. So I'm sharing the link here, and please subscribe our channel as well, so that you will get a regular updates. And interview related, yes, interview questions and also it's there in our channel. You can just check it. Mock interview on Power Platform or else Power Platform interview questions, Power Apps interview questions. And we are frequently connecting with our students who cracked interview, and we are collecting the interview questions, and we are recreating as in a video or else as a PDF files. So it will help you to clear your interviews as well. Similar way, while completing your course and you are attending interview, and inform us any topic is not covered, any particular question they are asking which is not covering on our curriculum, you can let me know. So if really required, we will try to make another video on that part, so it may help other people as well, right? So that's how we are working. Frequently we will change the curriculum as well, depends on the market requirements, right?
Mhm.
So Mahesh, basically parallelly, I'm also applying the jobs which is available on the Power Platform and Power BI side. So will you help me? So because I've already started a
Yes,
Power
yes,
BI
Satish.
course.
What in your case we can do? There is one more course is going in the evening. It's almost 50, more than 60% completed, I guess. Better maybe you can join even that also, or else complete.
Yeah, I'm already the part of that course.
No, Power Platform, I'm saying.
Power Platform evening course you're saying.
Because you are want to apply for interviews, right? Without completion of the total topics, it will be difficult for you to clear interview. So what I'm saying, either completed batch records I will assign you along with these live classes. So you can make it little fast track. Try to complete classes as early as possible. So anyway, you already have some experience, right? It won't take much time to you. You can skip which topic you know, and rest of the topic you can focus on it, and we will prepare for the interviews.
Okay. So and also I'm already a part of a Power BI full stack course. So is there any course reduction fees will be available?
Yeah, we will discuss on that part as well.
Yeah.
Because some topics are common, right? Power BI kind of.
Yes.
We will make some negotiation on that.
Yeah.
Only thing is license we need to provide again for the same Oracle license. We need to add PowerApps, Power Automate license also. So,
Okay.
but we will discuss that part.
Yeah, sure, Manish. That will be helpful for me.
Sure.
Because Okay. So when we can connect, Mahesh?
So you can call me after 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Fee structure will be 27,000 for one go, guys. Payment will be 27,000. So including license, we no need to pay any extra cost for license. And I'm again just even it's a kind of small challenge. Power Platform license, no one can able to provide in India so far, even though their course fees is 3 lakhs. Power Platform course fees, anyone charging even 2-3 lakhs, but they can't provide you license with the domain email ID. Some institution they are giving license for entire batch, but here every student will get one entire license. Deepika at ksr.com, Mahesh at ksr.com, Satish at ksr.com. Maybe Satish, you already know, right? Maybe your license also we are going to be provided so soon once Power BI just started, right? So maybe after 1 week. So at that time, just remind me, I will assign PowerApps and Automate also additionally for you because you are joining this course too, right? So same email ID you can use, or else it will become duplicated.
Yeah.
Okay, so because we will trigger not manually by system itself, how many batch students are there, all those people will get a license.
Okay, I will connect you separately on this.
Yes. Everyone will get a license and credentials. You can able to practice real-time case studies. Yeah.
Hi, Mahesh.
Yeah, hi, ma'am.
I learned SQL and Power BI. Now I'm thinking what to learn.
Like you can add two things. One is PowerApps and Power Automate. This is the same platform related topics. And another thing, ADF you can add, Azure Data Factory.
Okay.
In fact, Indra is Azure Data Engineer as well.
Okay.
So nowadays, these Microsoft products all together, it's a clubbing. They are expecting multiple skills from one person.
Okay.
So you can add these three. Maybe initially you don't want to go for coding side much and all. Maybe Power Platform will help you. Anyway, you know SQL Power BI, and by adding Power Platform, it will help you. And additionally, Azure.
Okay.
Only ADF and Fabric also we have as a separate course. Who knows Power BI already? It may start after 2 months. Now you can join Power Platform. After 2 months, you can add the ADF and Fabric as well.
Okay.
That is a Satish batch. Satish now he was attending, right? Same course Power BI will finish in 2 months. At that time, ADF will start. You can join along with him for ADF and Fabric.
Okay. So
and
actually,
platform here.
I'm aware of Power BI, no? So any concession for this course?
Yeah, Power BI here very not major topic. It's a very minor concept. Only 10 to 15 days only we are teaching Power BI in this course. Here main subject will be Power Platform only. But still we can discuss on that part.
Okay.
Okay, because license we need to provide any cost, and that Power BI license will help you. For sure, you where you learned Power BI previously, they might be didn't give a Power BI license, right?
Actually, they gave like 1 year we can practice.
No, with the Swapna at ksr.com. Similar like their domain mail ID they given to you.
No, not like that.
That's what. So with the Power BI premium, I'm saying.
Okay.
Premium you will get a 2 months.
Okay.
Pro for 10 months.
Okay.
Swapna at their XYZ, what are the organization institution? Similar way, we are going to provide you Swapna at ksr.com.
Okay.
So this email ID as of now, I never heard anywhere. No one is providing. because it's costing $27 per month, Power BI Premium.
Okay.
Now they're giving at $24, I guess, $24 per month, and $12 for Pro.
Yeah. And this class will be on weekdays only, right? There are no weekend.
No weekends. Weekends sometimes we will take extra sessions like workshops. And example, last 2 weeks back, we conducted a session on Power BI free vouchers to
Okay.
write a PL300 or else Power Platform license and all how to get. Because our team is actively working with the Microsoft community as well. So how to active within that community and how to get these kind of offers and all, we are going to be guide. So those kind of extra sessions are else sometimes Agile methodology, sometimes LinkedIn sessions. Those and all we will conduct on weekends. If you are comfortable, you can join, or else you can go with the record lecture.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, I just want to ask, we are like in my friend circle, like for 4 or 5 people, we have purchased the Microsoft account only, like whole, and we are having the Microsoft license, and I have purchased the Pro license for Power BI, and I'm thinking to purchase like in premium also, like after in next month. So, is it possible? Like I can do the project work with my account,
No,
or
sir.
do
No,
I
it's
have
not
to?
possible because we are
Hello.
providing here with internal team, right? It's not possible.
Okay, okay. So then, okay, we can talk later.
Yeah. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Yeah. Any more questions, team? Let me know if anyone have questions.
Job support after the course.
What kind of job support you are expecting, sir?
Means I already learned Power BI.
Hmm.
Okay, I put the resume, but I didn't get the calls.
You won't get, sir, only with the Power BI. What are the other skills you have?
SQL also, SQL and Python.
You won't get it still. Azure and Fabric should be must, sir.
Okay.
Only SQL and Power BI, it's an outdated trend 3 years back. You can check it in our YouTube channel. Around 3 years back, I made in a video, is Power BI outdated? You just search with that. 3 years back. Is Power BI outdated 3 years back only?
Okay.
Without Azure, you can't get call.
Okay.
SQL Power BI, those days gone, sir. It's a long back only. Now companies are expecting multiple skills. And in 2019, only with the Power BI also people able to get a placement. This means 6 years now. Without a SQL, there is no chance. SQL, Power BI, Azure, and Fabric. You are aware about Fabric? Fabric enter into the picture around 1.5 years back.
Yeah, I know that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So updated skills we need to be learned, sir.
Okay. I will call you after that.
Sure. Yeah. Any questions, team? You can ask me if you have any more questions. I'm happy to help you. And tomorrow you can join same from same link.
Yeah, Mahesh, a small doubt.
Yes.
In this Power Platform curriculum, there is Fabric also there.
Our platform, no.
But what I got that link from your KSR.
That is Power BI, data analytics with the Fabric, not Power Platform. That's a different course. We have data analytics with Power BI and Fabric.
No, it is there in link also. Microsoft Fabric also is there. Small data engineering in Microsoft Fabric.
That is a different course, ma'am. Data engineering and Fabric. Power Platform with Fabric, we are not teaching. Share your screen and show me where it is.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah. Fabric we use for only analytics purpose, not on the application level now. Are you able to share screen, ma'am?
Give me a minute. I will try to do that.
Sure, sure. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Meanwhile, you can ask me any questions. Fabric is not required actually for Power Platform. Fabric only for analysis purpose. Data scientist, data engineers, and data analyst. These three people only will use Fabric for now. In future, maybe if they are extending to somewhere, you can see.
Yeah, I'm sharing now. Please
Yeah.
check.
Yeah. Share.
Are you able to see?
No, no, not yet. Yeah, it's coming now, it seems.
Can you see it?
It's a blank screen.
Swapna, try resharing.
Now?
This is Fabric curriculum, not a data engineer, Power Platform related.
Power Platform only. Please check it. See?
It's maybe our entire topics all together. Scroll down.
Yeah, see here.
No, no, no. This maybe somewhere it's a mistake, and I'm not sure the page merged with something. This is Power Platform, not required Fabric.
Okay, actually, they mentioned Fabric also. So I thought.
No, no, Fabric is not at all required.
Okay.
So not required Fabric for Power Platform.
But they mentioned in this, so that's why I'm asking whether we are going to cover this or not.
It's not required, ma'am. Fabric not at all required. That is data engineering related. Maybe other courses related stuff also sometimes they are giving as an advertisement purpose, right? Maybe it's mentioned there. So Fabric is not at all required for this Power Platform.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, any questions? Yeah, any questions, guys?
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a Power BI analyst. Okay, so
Mhm.
sometimes we get confused with whether we should add this, or data engineering side kind of ADF and all, or we should add the Power Platform
Yeah,
like Power
it's
Platform.
a depends on like your current maybe two ways. One is interest. If you are comfortable with the data cleaning and all, handling with the Python and PySpark and coding and all, we can go for data engineering side. If you are not comfortable with the coding levels and all, you can come for the Power Platform side. But it is again certain level up to 25 lakhs package. Your package is crossing 25 lakhs. Honestly, Power Platform also won't suit you. Go for data engineering. Even though it's in a Power Platform course, we are clearly saying after 25 lakhs, it will be very difficult to get a job only with the Power BI and PowerApps. Until 25 lakhs, it's easy. Our students have there who got even 35 lakhs on Power Platform and Power BI, but it's in exceptional cases. But data engineering, 40 lakhs also, it's a mid-range package.
Yeah, but I don't want to shift to the data engineering because what I know is it's
That's
kind
what
of
again sir, like you are not
lacking
you are in the
in.
down zone of 25 lakhs. You have current package maximum 15. Happily, you can add Power Apps. You can jump into the next step. But after crossing 25 lakhs, companies won't show interest to pay that much package for this. Every technology have some saturation point.
Yeah.
So example for 2 BHK in Bangalore, in a regular house, in an independent kind of normal house, how much we can able to spend maximum? 30,000 maximum, even though it's in a good location. But it's in a gated community and a high-rise apartment, we need to pay more, right?
Yes.
So the saturation points will be there. More than this, it can't afford. So Power BI developer and Power Platform developers, 25 lakhs, next to maximum 30. After that, it will be difficult. In
Yeah,
fact,
but
your Indra also, like, he was a data engineer as well. That's the reason he was gaining more package. He was a mixed skill set. Power Platform, he was monitoring one team as a Power Platform team, another is a data engineering team.
yeah, so for me, like I don't want to shift to the data engineering side of it. I
That's
just
what,
want
sir.
to
You can go
be the
for Power
base.
Platform. When you already have in that mind, I don't want to go to the data engineering, then Power Platform. But your package
But at
concerns,
the
sir.
same time,
Your package,
sorry,
your package, current salary.
yeah, it's around 15, 16, you can say.
That's what. One more jump, it's easy. After that, maybe you have to be prepared for that to write a coding and.
Okay. So from the data engineering side, if you can add only ADF, is it's
No,
enough for
sir.
the time
No,
being?
sir. The PySpark is mandatory.
But being a data analyst, like, do we really need that PySpark as well?
It's a data engineering, I'm saying, not for data analyst, sir.
But
Data
nowadays,
analyst, only ADF is sufficient for data analyst.
yeah, that is what.
Data
So,
analyst, ADF and Fabric is sufficient.
okay.
Okay. But data engineer need a Python, PySpark, Big Data, Hadoop, Data Factory, Databricks, Data Lake, Synops.
No, that is what, like, that's a pure shift to the data engineering side that I don't want to do that because data analyst having some front end, no roles with the client. Whereas, so at the same time, so I'm looking for. Do you also have a course like techno functional for the managerial courses and all? Because I'm just looking for the lead position or the at least the manager roles now.
Lead
So
position in the sense it's so depends on the our work experience we need to be gained. So there is no separate course here. Maybe if you want Scrum Master or else like a PMP kind of thing you can do, or else Agile methodology. So those and all. Only to how to manage a team, there is no separate course for that.
so from the tool side like PMP and all, agile.
Yeah, the Agile we are teaching for Power BI people, but it's from base level, not to become a complete Agile developer or also Scrum Master level.
So, Mahesh, you're suggesting after Power Platform developers, so going data engineering is the best approach to enhance the package levels at all, right?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I have a follow-up question.
Yes.
So right now I am at an experience of 9.5, say 10. Okay, and I think that, like you said, my tool is gonna saturated and I don't see any future. So I am also at a good package level, somewhere around 2022. Okay. So like you said, if you are pointing towards data engineering, I would like to know, like, because data engineering, data analysis, data science, at some point looks kind of similar, but they are not.
Similar and they need to work together.
Yeah. So like I want to understand which field to choose.
It depends on interest. Maybe I will give a very layman example: data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. What they are going to be do. So any company, while they I will hire them to understand better about their business and to give a better ideas or suggestions, right? Maybe some cases through predictions.
Okay.
Right. So making of a better decision for their company. For that reason only they will analyze the data and they will hire for a data analyst. Example, in KSR itself, we want to make it understanding the same example now we given, right? So which kind of people are getting data engineer jobs, what kind of people need a data analyst and what kind of people need a Power Platform. How we are able to understand depends on our past students experience, like who already holding 25 lakhs package and all, it will be difficult for them to get a more than that package, right? So all these things, how we are going to be know by analyzing the data. Maybe in very layman example, KSR want to expand in a higher level. So we thought to make some advertisements. So while we are hiring in a marketing team, they said like what kind of students you have, means which region students or which language students or which country students you have more. At that time, my experience level, I said mostly might be Telugu people. But my trainer told, no, Mahesh, I seen lot many people from North now. So you can double check it. Then what I did, I have to collect all my students' information. When we started as a small institution, we are used to teach classes only in the Zoom meeting and Google Drive will be storage. Later, when we are improving, we are using OneDrive. When we are improved little more, we are using LMS platform. And after that, we have social media platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, or else Instagram. So I need to analyze this data. We need to collect information from all these four sources, right? That is a collection of data.
Okay.
That job will do by real-time data engineers. After collecting this data may be not in an accurate mode. Zigzag or else information, wrong information, or else information in one level, just mention name, number, and email ID and their age. That's it. In another location, it's mentioned their address. In another level, it may be mentioned their which course they opted. So we need to be clean the data and need to make it as per analysis. For that, data engineers will do lot many things like maybe data cleaning, cleansing something, whatever they have to be. After that, it will come to the data scientist what I have to be focused now. So he analyzed and he got to know first place will be Telangana, not Andhra, Telangana. Second place will be Karnataka. Third place will be Maharashtra. Honestly, this result shocks me. I never thought Maharashtra will comes into the third place. But now Maharashtra in the third place of the students capturing. Again, our team mentioned double check it. It's a city based instead of a location. Then all the people already migrated to their nearby cities after COVID. So then our team verified, yes, it's in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Pune, not even Mumbai.
Okay.
We have students, more students from Pune. So our data scientists have told me better instead of going with the state-wise budget because it will be more expensive and your small amount will be distributed to entire state. You are getting more number of students from the one particular location, right? Only that 100 kilometers surrounding. Focus only on the city-wise. Who are in Bangalore, who are in Hyderabad, who are in Pune. After that, better rest 25% amount you can distribute to other cities. This is what his suggestion. So no, we followed that one. Later, really it's working or not. Daily we need to collect the data, how much amount we spend on advertisements or else marketing and how much ROI we release. The Power BI developer, we collect this information from our LMS and he will make a report and he will send to me.
Okay.
It's a every month process. I will verify, is it correct? We spent 1 lakh rupee and we really got that much or not.
Now,
we will do these verifications frequently. So it's just given an overview. It's
Okay,
not going to be happen, but real time it may happen in a very high level.
okay, sir.
So all these three people will work together in real time.
So I want to understand with the 9.5 years of experience, will I get an opportunity to change my stream?
15 years, 16 years experience, 19 years experience after that also people moved.
Oh.
So there is a one my tenant, my next to my home. His name is Kupuraman. His first IT job in 1989. 1989, his first IT job. And now he was working on agentic AIs.
Okay.
I requested him to make one video on how he is surviving from last 30 years. He retired and he was working on freelancing project and still he was able to earn around 5 lakhs per month. He knows Power Platform. When we discussing about PowerApps and Copilot Studio, he will explain about that part. He was using in his projects. When we recently discussing, we are planning to start Agentic AI. Mahesh, I'm already using from last 6 months for one project. He will update very fast.
Okay.
So age doesn't matter. And one student at the age of 34 years, he got a job as a fresher. He tried for government jobs, it didn't work out, and later he completed course here. Honestly, it's a luck. At that time, it's a possibility is there, and he got job as a fresher in a Landmark group. It is a Max subsidiary, Max a parent company actually. Max Cloth Store, you know, right?
No, sir.
It's a parent company, is a Landmark group. So he was a data scientist. He got job there. So age and experience doesn't matter. We need to be upgrade continuously. Then only we can able to sustain. When we are not upgrading, so we will be in trouble.
Sir, I have one more follow-up question.
Yes, you
So right now, in my mind, I have data engineering
Mm.
since I think that I can't dive into data science as the courses. I mean, data science is a very lengthy thing to learn.
Data engineer
even
only I
every
can
day.
suggest you, not even data science. It won't suit
Yeah.
you. Data engineering.
So can we, like, at some point of time, if we are interested, can we jump from data engineer to data science? Is that also possible?
Some point.
Not like the course in KSR. I'm just asking in general later
Real time,
part.
yes, we have to be. All these are 30 to 40% topics are similar, right? SQL, Python, PySpark are common for both power data analyst and data scientist and data engineers.
Okay, sir.
That's what I told you. All these people are working together only.
Okay.
Maybe I will give another very layman example. In very bigger restaurants or else in a maid will be separate and cleaning person will be separate, right?
Right.
But in our home, we are only doing right both.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah, same thing. If these levels are broadening when depends on the company's requirement. Data scientist job will be different. Data analyst job will be different. Data engineer jobs will be different. But in low level, all these three will work together only. Which I give an example, right? All lead by one person only.
Okay.
We don't have data analyst, data engineer, data scientist separately because our data is very less. So one person able to do. But large scale of companies, their data will be very huge, right? So different persons will work.
So it's always better to start from data engineer instead going to data science. We are
No,
making the jump.
actually, the ultimate will be data science, but data science, the volume is very huge.
Okay.
But data engineer, we have only this limited time, the limited of tools only, we can become data engineer easily. When it's come to the data science, right? Honestly, data scientist in the sense who knows data analytics and data engineering.
Oh,
He
okay.
will be the ultimate actually.
Okay.
Now there was also splitted like ML engineer as a separate, AI engineer as a separate,
Right.
LPA engineer as a separate, but all together only it's a data science. 100 data science book, these are chapters.
Okay.
And again, business analytics, it's also part of data science again. So you can jump to the data science later.
Okay, sir.
By SQL, Python, and Azure, everything you know, and Power BI, you know, just you are adding machine learning and deep learning NLP. If you
Okay,
know
sir.
NLP well, and it will be easy to understanding LLM models and agentic AI, generative AI concepts. So step by step process.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay, guys, then we can meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock.
Yes.
Yeah.